Hello everyone. Today I'm here to talk about importance of health and nutrition. Why and how should you take care of your health? Here are 10 points that we need to practice in our daily life to keep ourselves healthy. Stay strong. Taking care of your health makes your body strong and full of energy. Eat healthy food. Eat fruits, vegetables, milk and grains to stay healthy. Drink water. Drink water every day to stay fresh and active. Play and exercise. Play outside. Run, jump and exercise to keep your body moving. Sleep well. Sleep early and sleep well so your body and mind can grow. Stay clean. Bath, brush and wash your hands to keep away germs. Avoid junk food. Too many chips, sweets and soft drinks can hurt your body. So, say no to junk food. Visit the doctor. Go for regular checkups to stay safe from illness. Stay happy. Play, laugh and spend time with friends to keep your mind happy. Say no to bad habits. Always say no to bad habits that can harm your health. So friends, health is very important. When we eat good food, we feel strong. Fruits, vegetables, milk and rice help our body grow. Drinking water keeps us fresh. Playing and sleeping well makes us healthy. If we stay clean, we do not get sick. Health and nutrition helps us smile and enjoy every day.